Now this illustration deals with the overcurrent protection in accordance with 630.12a, but notice it's a motor generator arc welder. The primary current is 65 amp. Now notice it's suggested here, don't take the duty cycle and take the square root of it here because it's a motor generator arc type welder. And then again, we tell you in the figure loop, see figure 9-11, which deals with such overcurrent protection, and you can read more about it too in the text as you do here. But starting with the overcurrent device, what is your percentage from section 630.12 A and B? Then we notice it's 200% of the full load amps. And then you got to know what full load current amps are we talking about. Now table 240.4G allows that 200%. Now going over to the quick calc, we would take sizing the conductors in accordance with 630.11a and table now 630.11a, and based upon the duty cycle of 80%, we get a 91% multiplier. So 91% of 65 is 59. From table 310.16, the 59 amp calculated load there, based upon 91%, would require number 6, good for 65 amp in the 75-degree column. Then notice 630.12B as in boy, 200% of the 65 amp ampacity of that number 6 is 130. So 130 amp requires 125. So you could have a 125 amp overcurrent device in your panel board ahead of that number 6 wire to allow that duty cycle of 80% to operate when the welder is a motor generator arc welder type unit. So with this information in figure 14-34, overcurrent protection and conductors, along with the disconnecting means of 630.13, can be used if the disconnecting means is not with the welder in accordance with what is required in 630.13. That's what this figure 14-34 is illustrating. So we'll pick up